Here's a quick way to do an oil change interval reset for a Kia Sportage. Specifically, we're working with a 2022 Kia Sportage, but this should work with a lot of different years and makes with the Kia line. Now on your steering wheel, you're going to hit and toggle your menu button. Keep tapping that button. You'll see that go through 4 different menu items on your dashboard. Now when you get to the third one from the left, it's going to be the cog or the gear setting. That's going to show user settings on your dash. Now directly under the menu button on your steering wheel, you're going to see that left silver button that can go up and down. You're going to use that to go down in your menu under user settings until you come to service interval. Hit the OK button on your steering wheel and it should show you the days and miles remaining. Hold that OK button for 10 seconds. Almost there. Now that it says reset time and distance, hit OK to select yes, and you're all done. Now, Kia has this set for 7,500 miles. I'm telling you, don't go over 5,000 miles. These Kia motors tend to burn oil very quickly, so make sure you're checking your oil between 3,000 and 5,000 miles. Don't wait the 7,500 miles.